Hey, good morning, Sarah.
Good morning.
What on earth are we doing?
We are giving a preview to all of the Havasu stitchers on all the amazing classes we have coming up. You're going to want to make every single one of these items.
Holy
I guarantee
cow.
it.
So I see this is the snowman.
Oh my gosh. Ann Creek teaches this class and it's stunningly beautiful. Not only is this a great table runner, but I have it at my house as a pillow cover.
Oh my
on
gosh.
a bench pillow. It's awesome.
I'm doing a pillow.
Love it. And this is so much fun. You can make these for gifts. They can be trivets, mug rugs. Again, expand it, could be a pillow. They're beautiful. Lisa's teaching this
It could be an
class.
ornament.
I know it. Oh my gosh. And who doesn't love quail? Isn't that absolutely beautiful?
And
What
so Havasu.
Exactly. And our next one is this duffel bag. Diana and I are teaching it. This is so much fun. It's a quick and easy make. It's small enough that it can slide under your airplane seat should you ever fly again. And of course, you know, another fabulous Ann Creek pattern. This witch is just a stunning, stunning display of painting and shading and just
Wow.
beautiful, beautiful artwork. And she teaches everyone how to be this good. It's awesome.
No kidding, right?
Yep. Oh, and this is another fun one, the Scarecrow Table Runner. Just a treat, both directions.
Oh, either way, both sides of the
I know.
table.
Very fun. And you gotta love the little texture on here.
Don't
That
you?
little straw.
Fringe on your boots.
Love it.
Oh, and this is an oldie but
Oh,
goodie.
blast from the past. So the runs with scissors, it's a by Annie pattern, so you know it's just fabulous to make up. Holds every single sewing tool you have. And if this is not your deal, I made another version, the pattern exactly to size without the inner pockets, fits that Chromebook. So if you have a granddaughter or grandson that's using a Chromebook, or even if you are, a perfect travel carry case for that. Next one is our rope basket. This is a lot of fun, and it's a little bit like pottery. You get to decide how big you want it to be, and you can add in color with thread. Lot of fun with the rope class. Oh my gosh, this is a great pattern. This is the Tasket basket, and you actually have a template from Martelli that Lisa has that helps you cut this out like in minutes. It's
Nice.
just a fun sew up. Again, a great gift. Love it for knitting, a market bag, or of course, your sewing stuff.
Oh, knitting bag. I like that.
And
Yeah.
Linda Visna is doing her thing. She is teaching free motion, and she's fabulous. There's not a better teacher in town. You've got to take this class.
Yep, totally agree.
And then this little deal is an iron caddy that I developed because I have one of those little mini Aliso irons, and I hated how the cord kept getting messed up everywhere and just a tangle. So this little caddy sews up and allows you to carry it easily, and I like to slide it into my sewing machine carry case.
You know what? That's where I slide mine.
Yep, it's
Yep.
awesome.
Tucked away.
All right, next one is the Queenie bag. This is the
The
queen
queen.
of bags. Oh my gosh, I'm a little person, but this is just perfect. And
Oh gosh,
this
we
is
could put you in there.
I know, and it's so cushy. Fun bag. It's a little more complicated, takes a little bit more brain power, but it's so beautiful when it's
Nice.
done.
Nice.
The next one, I don't have a sample for you yet, but this little owl speaks for himself. He's a pin cushion, and he is just as cute could be.
It looks like you possibly put it on the front of your machine.
You sure could, yeah.
Nice.
And Lisa's teaching that class, so that's going to be awesome. Speaking of machines, everybody needs a machine mat. This is, I think, yours, Sherri, isn't it?
Yeah, that one's
And I
mine.
love how you use the Tula Pink fabrics there. So this hangs off, literally, the edge. Your machine sits on there, so it's easy to maneuver when you're out of class. It won't vibrate. And then you've got these wonderful pockets to put your tools or
I love
scraps of fabric or your phone.
Love it.
Terrific. Another handy little organizer is this armchair caddy. It has a pin cushion on the top. It's got a little waste basket and then spots for you to put all of your tools. So when you're doing your hand quilting or your binding or some applique perhaps,
Yeah.
while you're watching TV, this is the
Super
item.
cool.
And the last item on our list is a binding class. And this binding method is terrific. You've got to sign up for that. Sherri, just look at all of this stuff.
Holy cow,
We have got some talented teachers with some really great things to make.
And everything you can think of.
So when do they sign up, by the way?
So you know what? They can call me. We're going to be at our general meeting on the 18th,
Thursday, yep.
this Thursday night, and you can sign up
Fantastic.
for everything.
And if you pay, your spot's guaranteed.
You pay, you play.
Awesome.
Thank you, Sarah.
You bet.